chapatis. This is the dough. We have my assistant here doing some coconut. You know, you never see such. You never see a Turkish on a mbuzi, on a Swahili mbuzi, making coconut. You know. So we have meat here. This meat, Barbara brought this meat when it was super frozen. So I have to wait for it to defrost. And then we have lentils, ambazo nitatengeneza za nazi. We do not have a rolling pin, so I'm going to use this. So you know the rolling pin I'm talking about? I'm talking to you, but
I'm saying.
you know the rolling pin I'm talking about?
Yes.
So this one is not the rolling pin.
But you can use that.
Yeah, but I'm going to use it.
Yes.
You know? Yeah, I'm just showing people. If the chapati don't come out circular,
It's his fault. It's because of this.
Yes, it's not me.
It's not him.
Now, I'm going to let it rest for like 5 minutes, right? Because we do not have time. But in normal circumstances, this would have stayed for like up to 30 minutes, right? What do you think? You let yours stay till for 30 minutes?
Yes, mostly even 20 or 15.
30, I'm exaggerating.
I'm professional finger. I'm sorry.
Who? Sorry?
At my who at my finger in front of the cam.
So I'll divide it into two.
Oh, and who's that beautiful lady behind the cam? I don't know.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. So I'm just going to roll it out into a circle, and then I spread oil and I make tabaki. Tabaki is a Swahili name. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Tabaki is a Swahili name. Just that I'm talking to the audience doesn't mean you don't have to respond.
Okay.
If it's something
I'm
you should
the
respond.
audience as
Yes,
well.
you're the audience.
I'm your fan. Okay.
Yep. So that's it. And
Who's your audience, by the way?
everybody.
Hey!
Everybody's my audience. Yeah. Then I just fold it like a cinnamon roll. How you do a cinnamon roll. Ooh.
No. Because I know I was gonna, if I were to have gone there, I would have been back within 20 minutes.
Perfect.
I only wanted another.
Then you just cut them into tabakis. Perfect. And then you fold them into, No, thank you. You can just throw. This will just form tabakis. Just form tabakis.
Not today.
Just like that. I'm sorry? Z ati staki. Hivi hakuna vitu zingine yani unaelewa? Zi sio hivyo. Siko ubaya. Ai sina kuchekesha. Nakuchekesha. Ai ni rahisi bana. Ai. Very easy. Very easy.
Like a flower. Beautiful.
Like a flower, right? Right?
Like roses.
I'm glad you caught it. I was like, when are you going to mention it? When are you going to mention it? Perfect. So now these ones are going to make the chapatis fluffy. Someone talked about fluffy chapatis. Fluffy chapatis. These are going to be fluffy chapatis.
I hope.
No. It's no hopes here. It's done already. Done.
That's a promise then.
Yeah.
I know.
Yes.
You know how to make rice bread? It's
Yes.
the one they make at the Swahili wedding.
Yeah.
What do you need?
Vitumbua, yeast. If you give me yeast and if I have rice, of course I can do it.
Really?
And some sugar. Sugar you have. Some cinnamon, cardamom powder. We can do, yeah. So
I'll
do
get
it.
you some yeast.
So good job. And some coconut milk. So coconut and maybe more coconuts because I've used all the three.
Okay.
Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Thank you. Just pat my back again. Why aren't you patting my back? Do you wanna pat my back?
No.
Okay. Now, in my mind, my chapatis are ready. In my mind, because after this, I don't consider this as work. It's just that's not work to me. So to me, chapatis are ready. So let's get into something else. The beef, I can see it's. Just show people the beef. I can see the beef is ready also. I should. Sheila, are you busy? Sheila, we can work together, Sheila. Work together. You help me drain the beef. You can cut it into maybe cubes. Don't you think? Ama? I'm not sure. Oh yeah, maybe it's mbuzi. Our pojo is ready, right? It's almost ready. Lentils in coconut. It's so easy to cook. I'm going to put onions and garlic. Right? Alafu hizi nitabonda na nini tu na chumvi si ndio that's all. Say less. Lizzie, may I get one plate please? Yeah, just hold it. You're smart. Yeah, you can direct the camera. I will go get the plate. Good job.
Yeah, wet.
I don't mind.
Okay.
Thank you. Use this. So,
You don't mind.
yeah, I know.
You might say anything. Live caught on cam. What? That back.
I don't mind.
Microphone is on.
Sorry?
The mic is on.
It's always on. When you see the green, it's always on. Yeah. Yeah, do you know, Sheila, do you know her?
Yeah.
You know her story? Do you know her story?
No.
Then you don't know her. Then I know her better than you know her. If you don't know her story. You don't know her story? But then you don't know her. Or you just...
Makes yesterday.
Oh, okay, I get it. If that's the case, then I understand. Okay. Oh, no, I thought everyone knows you. No, we're still bonding. Right now, we're still bonding. We're not there
I
yet.
forgot my name today.
Who, him?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Liz.
Please.
Yeah, that's her name.
What's my Kikuyu name?
Wanji. Wanjiko.
Wanjiku.
Yeah.
Wanjiko.
Yeah.
My aunt is called Wanjiko.
Really?
Yes.
Wait. No, how?
My mom's sister.
Oh, your mom is Kikuyu?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know.
That's what my mom is.
I don't know. I don't judge based off of. I even told her.
I look like her.
Ethnicity.
Luya.
No, you told me. Huh?
Mama.
Iso said Zamavueni. Yeah, you told me. Yeah.
My dad.
Yeah.
But still my
Your
dad
dad?
is mixed. Yeah.
Mixed up.
African.
Yo. Oh my god.
He's drumming my
Damn. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
When you sell them, give me credits.
They're sellable. Wow. Okay. Okay. So Sheila, you can help me do some onions, maybe?
Me?
Yes, please. About 3 onions. Yo, how do you get that? How do you...
What?
Strength. How do you become strong?
Jim?
Oh, thank you. You see, our lentils are ready.
No, you just had to. But why strong? What did I do?
Nothing.
I do this.
You can't catch things. You're a slow
Please,
catcher.
Do this. Why?
You're a slow catcher.
Then there's me.
Wow,
Wait.
yeah. Do that again? Oh my god.
And there's me.
Oh my gosh.
Now do it. Do it. Ah, we are sorry. I have no
Wow,
chance.
you're like me.
Let me not try this.
You're
at
like
home.
me.
Let me not try this. How do you say?
A pull-up.
Chin up. No,
A pull-up.
Yes. I could do 3.
It's called a pull-up. There's a difference between pull-up and a chin and a push-up.
Okay, Mr. Bodybuilder.
Thank you.
Show off your muscles. No, not all.
No. You're about to run away.
Like, hey. Jesus. Say.
Like, no. So I'm rolling from here and then I'm cooking from here. You understand? So however you want to do it. I know you're a creative lady, right?
Huh?
You said fluffy chapatis, right?
Yes.
You're about to experience some fluffy chapatis. Yeah. Yep. You? Yeah.
My feet.
Let me tell you guys, this lady has beautiful toes. Like, do you like getting your toes eaten?
What?
Yeah, I'm talking to you. You don't like getting your toes eaten?
Eat? What?
Yes or no?
No.
What do you mean no?
Who eats them?
I don't know.
I got you on camera. Police!
Police! Alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, we busted him.
No. You know that's a joke. You don't know my jokes.
A joke?
Yeah.
A joke?
You don't know jokes. Aye. Jokes. See?
Huh? Please.
Clean. You feeling hot?
Yes, I'm feeling very hot.
Yeah, you're a hot lady. You're very hot. So, I understand. That's your nature.
Uh-huh.
It's your nature.
Louder. For the ones in the back.
That is your nature. You know, I have mad skills. If I don't have a rolling pin and I'm using this and I'm bringing out chapatis like A class, then I don't put a lot of oil, just kidogo oil. Just kidogo oil. See? Fluffy. You say talk about fluffy?
Say that again.
Fluffy.
Fluffy.
Like I'm fluffy, right? Yeah. Fluffy.
Yeah.
Fluffy.
I feel the tension.
Feel the tension. Uh-huh. Yeah.
And the first one is even good. Wow, okay, now I see the fluffiness.
I know. I do.
Are you a talent?
I do.
No, just
I was born like
with
this.
this man again.
I was born like this.
Uh-huh.
Yes, that's ready. Beef is also ready. Did you want to like? Oh, okay. You can taste it. Okay.
No.
Okay. Guys, my chapatis are ready.
Okay.
Oh. We thought you were those guys.
I heard something.
Oh, no! Not you guys. No, I didn't say you guys. I was talking to guys on the phone. Wow, you went like okay. Sorry, I need you to taste that for me also. Yeah.
Taste.
Yeah, we need to find out if it's yes, hit or miss, smash or pass.
Pass.
No.
Okay, that's a yes.
That's a yes?
That's a yes.
You know that you need to put in more peppers day by day.
Yeah.
So each one gets a little bit used to more peppers.
All right.
I also
Okay.
like peppers. It's okay.
Yeah. I think.
And I think
Give me 6 more. Give me 6 more.
Yeah, little salt.
Little more salt. Okay. No, if it's salt, I'm still adding more stock, so I'll season later. I'll season later. Don't worry.
You and I.
Just 2 more. Okay. 2. Could you wash this for me, please? Thank you.
It's so hot here.
Really? You're so hot.
I know.
There.
No, cut them in the half. Like do a half, just a half cut.
Okay. For safety reasons, we need to pause this video.
Why?
We'll be right back.
Yeah. Everything's